Hello, this is the last room in my house. We moved there half year ago, and I am really happy that this is the last room, but one of the hardest room, as this is bathroom, and need to do many things, not just to paint and that's it. All this something was before, just there was some scratches on the walls and bumps, and what I did, I filled it with the fine filler, painted all places, surface where I not will install the tiles. Just the main target is to show the tiles which I choose it, and yes, I could suggest them. It's called durable composite wall tiles. I installed them in the first floor. It was quite easy, fast, and looking nice. Okay, we can go. We'll show you how I did it. To start install the tiles, as I already told before, I choose it composite tiles. It's actually really fast and easy to install. This is the surface which you cover just with the glue and install. But when you start to put first tile, you must put correct level like this. Otherwise they will somewhere not fit, and I not suggest to put them too close to the floor, because the level is changing, and then you will need to cut the down of the tile. Of course, need to put the spacers to hold the tile like this. And what I would like to show is how this is how I am doing the cuts. Take the exactly same size sheet and just with the knife cut all these holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after, I just put these two sheets on the two tiles, and we'll do these cuts, and everything will fit nice. For the cutting holes, first we take the sheet, same size style. It's better put here. If that's not possible, then just measure centimeters from this place to this place and place the sheet there. And just with the knife, I did the hole and stick it around like this. And for the cutting, this is for the wood. But it's okay to cut these small holes with this one. For the big holes, just this one, like this. And if the hole is not big enough, I can take something like this and just polish, and it's okay. Look nice, cut is ready. It's perfect. Just can take the glue and install the tile. Plastic composite tiles are installed, and it's look like this. It was easy, because the cutting easy, and do not need to fix these places to cover with something, and it's like this. I will show you in the upstairs. This is the first bathroom and the second is in upstairs. Now we are in the upstairs and there is the second bathroom. That's as I showed already, the PVC plastic composite tiles. It's, I think so, easy, very easy to install. It's easy to cut after you click them. Just follow they fit here. You don't need to fill these places with the seam filler. Click and it's done. Here, also there is white. It's easy, also very easy to cut the holes for electricity and cut the tiles. It's look like this, and this wall I decided to do different, the black. It's like this, black and white. Yes. Okay, you saw how I did it, and I think so. It's easy, and if you want to do something and you are ready to do, you can do that. And if you need any help, you can ask me, and I will try to help. Okay, thank you for the watching.